Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Archicad tutorial how to change pattern unit size. So as example, I will create the rectangle object, and if you want to apply patterns, you can go to fill tools and click on the default settings. So in here for the options, I will use the command break patterns. And with the default settings, click OK. And to insert, you can use the rectangular tools. I will click from corner to corner and then click inside to fill the patterns. Now if you want to change the pattern size, you can go to the option menu, click elements attributes, and then click fill. So in here we have this command break patterns, and to change you can click at this option patterns unit size. Like I will set into 3, and also for the vertical into 3 or width. The next you can click OK to change the unit pattern size. Okay, that's it for basic Archicad tutorial how to change pattern unit size.